Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I'm really happy that you're here. Please sit down and hang out with me for a few minutes. And today we are getting into The Walking Dead. The AMC Walking Dead supply drop box. So let's see just real quick. There is a giveaway going on. It is the 3K redo giveaway. That is linked down below. That's about it. That's about it. Okay, so this box is a quarterly box. I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. This is one of my favorite quarterly boxes. I think that the stuff that comes in here is really neat. I'm rarely ever mad at anything that comes in this box. So let's get into it, shall we? Oh, here's a little bit of an update real quick. I was going to do, before I left for Vegas, now keep in mind, all of this is pre-recorded, but I was going to sit down and do a what's in my pandemic makeup bag. And I had packed up my makeup bag and thought, crap, I needed to do a video on that. So what I'm actually going to do is wait until I get to Vegas, and then I will do one there. I will show you what's in my pandemic makeup bag in a video once I get there and start unpacking, because I just thought to myself, I can't believe I just packed all that up and now I have to unpack it to do a video and then pack it back up again. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I haven't felt well enough to do that much work, I guess is a good way of putting it. So when we get to Vegas and I unpack, then that's when I will show you what's in my pandemic makeup bag. So keep an eye out for that. Okay, so let's get into this. Whatever this costs, it'll be on the screen. If I haven't said that already, I probably did. I don't know. Everything in this box is curated specifically for this box, so it doesn't come with prices. But it does have a pamphlet that does tell you a little bit about what's in the box. So if you can't figure it out on your own, which sometimes we can't. It is what it is. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is a keychain. And it says Oceanside Cabin Motor Court. And it's the office key. Well, it's a keychain. So that's cute. Sorry, I just looked on the paper and I just realized we got a Daryl Dixon bobblehead in here. I'm super excited about that. So let me go ahead and pull him out. Oh, my daughter's gonna freak when she sees this. So there is a Daryl Dixon bobblehead. Nice. I'm not gonna take him out of the package. The next thing is a postcard that's greetings from Oceanside. That's cool. So yeah, it's just a postcard. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out is a t-shirt, it looks like. Yep. And it is an Oceanside t-shirt. So that's cute. What's it say? It just says Oceanside Cabin Motor Court. So that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out is, what is this? So it's a black box. It says The Walking Dead supply drop box on it. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's Magna's Warhammer, but it's a letter opener. So that's cool. This is what it looks like. So here is your letter opener. That's really cool. It's really heavy duty too. And then here's a stand for it to go on. So it would sit on top of the stand. Nice. All right. I like. My husband will really like that for his desk at work if he ever returns to work. Who knows? Nobody knows. And it looks like, last but not least, we are pulling out the Walking Dead Supply Drop bandana. Is it just a Daryl Dixon? I think it's a Daryl Dixon. No, it's not specific to a Daryl Dixon bandana. It just says this black bandana is emblazed with iconic symbols from The Walking Dead. So that's cool. So it is just a bandana. I'm not going to pull it out of here, but I will show you what it looks like on here. So that's cool. All right, that was the Walking Dead supply drop box. I am not mad at this box. I don't know, maybe just because I like the show so much. Maybe that's why I'm partial. I've always really liked this box. I think the stuff in here is cool. So that's it. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you for spending a little bit of time with me. Bye.